Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this ship in Blender. Very simple slip in Blender ship. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. And this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. This was the reference, and this is our model. This is a cartoon type ship model in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.